You need a 5mm wrench. Adjust the chain to the smallest piece of the freewheel. Release the brake. Open the clamp. Turn the lever counterclockwise and remove the rear wheel. Loosen the derailleur screw counterclockwise and remove the derailleur. Loosen the derailleur hanger screw counterclockwise and remove the derailleur hanger. Replace the derailleur hanger and tighten the screw clockwise. Reinstall the derailleur. Rear wheel. And brake. Turn the wheel and check the shifting function.